12 ways to naturally stop snoring. Number 1. Try sleeping on your side rather than your back as your first position for the night. This can assist in preventing the collapsing of your tongue and soft palate, which could impede your airway, to the back of your throat. Number 2. Elevate your head. You can help to clear your airways and lessen snoring by elevating your head with an additional cushion. Number 3. Weight management. If you're obese, decreasing weight can help you stop snoring. Number 4. Steer clear of sedatives and alcohol. Preferably avoid them before going to bed. Number 5. Drink plenty of water to stay hydrated. Number 6. Clear your nasal passages. If you have nasal congestion, use a neti pot or saline nasal spray. Number 7. Quit smoking. Smoking aggravates the throat and nasal mucosa. Number 8. Maintain a healthy sleep hygiene routine by creating a regular sleeping schedule. Number 9. Throat exercises. Some people find that performing throat exercises helps them stop snoring. Number 10. Anti-snoring devices. There are many anti-snoring devices, including nasal strips, mouthpieces, and chin straps. Number 11. Herbal remedies. Some herbal teas and essential oils, such as eucalyptus. Number 12. Seek allergy treatment. Allergies can cause snoring. Snoring may be a sign of a medical issue called sleep apnea, so if it persists, get professional assistance.